You trying to get in free? Show them titties.
Hold up. Hey, walk on the stage with my burner. Reach with my chain, you a goner. Broad choppers with the bag in. You want some scratch, you gon' earn it.
We 21, so we getting drunk. Drunk, nigga. 21.
She ain't like being seen. She was on me. Flew to LA. Wasn't from LA. Arizona.
Bitch, I'm high as f***. Yeah, I'm trying. Ow!
That's your dumb ass get, bro. Why would you do that shit? Catch!
Stop playing with me!
What's wrong with this plunger?
Alright, fool. Alright, get on my house. Get on my house! Come on, Qwest, I miss you, but damn!
What it do, YouTube? What it do, KDG? What's good? What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy back at it again with yet a vlog. Not another vlog, but it's a vlog. If you can't recognize where I'm at right now, you didn't watch much of my school vlogs, the little that I did have this school year. But I'm in Brookside, you feel me? I'm at PV.
You heard me? Yeah.
I'm at PV. I'm in the H, you feel me? I got a gig tonight. Oh yeah, well, he does have a gig tonight as well, because he working the dough. He looking like a security guard and whatnot. He did. Where your $5 at?
You trying to get in free? Show them titties.
You feel me? I just knew, bro, how can I do the intro without any interruptions? But the reason why I'm out here at PV is because I knew I had a gig in the H and I ain't see my boys in a minute, being that they are in summer school and I am not. I'm dead. So I thought it'd be, you know what I mean? I just want to come see my niggas, you feel me? I want to see my niggas, you feel me? And they gonna join me as I go make my money and, you know what I mean, do what I do. You feel me? Perfect my craft and whatnot as I go support the village. By the way, if you in the H and you ain't at that event, you fucking up. You feel me? Go ahead and follow my homeboys at the Village, Texas. That way, the Village way. I'm talking way too much. Y'all already know the deal is. Y'all been asking for the vlogs. Y'all been asking where the content at, and I'm bringing it to you. Look at my niggas. You know what I mean? Like we clean. You feel me?
Always, nigga, we stay for us. I'll still come.
Stay back. My nigga clean. You feel me?
Watch how I walked out on this bitch ass. Hey, check me out. Hey, hey, Brody, why you tryna hold me? On my TI shit, you don't even know me.
Come on, Greg.
Give me the backpack.
Come on, dude.
Hey.
This is my gorilla in the fucking coop. In the fucking coop.
Gotta pull up to the zoo.
We're finna head to Subway.
And we in the zoo.
We're in the zoo. Oh.
Man, f you all niggas, man.
Yeah, what the fuck is this? Parking spot is this?
What?
This half-ass parking spot. Shit, we out here in Colorado right now.
They got Subway in here.
Well, we is not in Colorado.
That's where you is.
Will be.
How you doing?
It's the same.
Oh, my fault.
Y'all sleep, you feel me? I would have never guessed there was so much potential in this room, in this building. Go ahead and show them something.
That whole lot.
Oh, snap.
Oh, that's
for us.
Hey, man, shit clean.
that blue one clean though.
Y'all sleep.
Oh, player.
Y'all sleep.
Too hot.
You know what I'm saying? What's up, everybody? What's happening? How y'all doing? What's y'all doing? You know what I'm saying? For the event, you know what I'm saying? They finna have me at the door. Come support this out though. I fuck with it though. They got pants. They probably ain't got my size.
That's great.
Though they got a lot of stuff though. They ain't got my size. I might get a patent though. Put in my dorm. Psych, I hate PV.
Man, I'll take that free haircut. So we'll take that free haircut.
We greatly appreciate everybody coming out here tonight. It's gonna be a little something.
It might sound strange, but I have this thing where my favorite song doesn't get as played as much. Because hearing the same thing over and over again eventually gets taken for granted. That's why I tell you I love you in different ways, like, let me know when you make it home, or what did you eat today? Better yet, babe, I hate to see you stressing. Let's bow our heads and pray. I want to make conversations with God about each other, our love language.
We stay out of sight, but always in mind. Money is a necessity, but never should be your plight. I am a mere human, not here to deceive. I'm just trying to say we come into this world with nothing, we all shall leave. That's it.
Yeah. I do this for my black queen. Yeah.
Which one? Who? Put some salt in your mouth? Amy?
Say, man, we just concluded a successful event here, Campfire Live, here in the 8th.
The village, you heard me? The village, you heard? Oh, hold on, no. The village, stop playing with me.
6X.
Oh, you know where we at? Ooh, what should I get? What should I get?
I'm the youngin' in the group, you feel me?
21?
21.
We 21, so we getting drunk.
Drunk, nigga. 21. Sorry, young cub. We gonna wait till October for you.
We're not sending the bar.
I'm good, bro. Alcohol is nasty, ill, disgusting.
Okay. We here. We're black. Come on.
Yeah, why you still got the tiger in your hat?
Cause I wanted everybody
it's
to
not
see it's
2007.
new. Oh, look at this little guy. Don't scare me like that, young blood. I'll run them hands on you.
Nah, that's shit kinda hard though.
Like with that stuff, like it comes with things and different way you want to deliver it, but I wanted you to deliver the food. So like, let me get.
Shout out to our server. Huh? Shout out to the server, you feel me? Hey man, we finna chow down. You feel me? He already chowing down, my dude. Doing the bless up, you feel me? I'm finna chow down, you dig?
Yeah.
Finna eat good, we feeling good, we celebrating life. And we finna chow down, we finna eat. I wish I could record more, but there is music playing out loud. I don't wanna get copyrighted, so that way. My nigga shit really live, like.
Feel me? That was $200 that I did not pay for.
My nigga shit is really live though. Like if y'all don't know my nigga, this is like, this is him for sure. All right then. Let's go. This is a nice addition to the room.
Yes, sir. You feel me? You already know, you know what I'm saying? I fuck with it so hard. You feel me? I got this shit tatted on me, you heard me? You know what I'm saying? I'm an Afro saying, you feel me? That's a black saying, you know what I'm saying?
You just made that up?
No. I've been had it in my mind, I just didn't know if it was smart enough to say.
Man, if you don't wake your ass the f up.
Shut up.
Hey man, we need to get our day started.
You trying to go hoop?
Trying to go hoop? You're asking me if I'm trying to go hoop?
First of all, you feel me? I'm a beast on the court, first and foremost.
Thinking about doing the rest of the June playlist on this hoe. Me and my boys tried to film that hoe yesterday. It was just not a vibe. But that's some good blooper footage, you feel me? Trying to bust down on a bowling alley burger. Them hoes is about the only thing to go hard at PV. How you turn these cheap ass dollars to slow ass?
You using it, ain't you?
I'm just messing with you for kicks.
Kicks.
Bro, punk ass shit, man. Shit don't fucking work.
Now you can
That's fucking dookie ass speaker. If you buy speakers from Dollar General, Family Dollar, then your shit not official.
Ha! It wasn't bought from there, bitch. It wasn't bought from there. It was bought from Ross.
Okay, that's even worse. You got this bitch in line before you checked out your shit, didn't you?
Yep.
Yep.
How do you know that, motherfucker?
Because that's marketing 101, motherfucker.
So you never did that in Ross?
No. They put that shit in line so you can look at it while you waiting in line. They know if that shit was in the regular aisle, nobody was gonna go buy that shit. So they had to put it in your face. You feel me?
Okay. Well, you should be a salesman.
I am. What'd I tell you?
You told me you was gonna get something and beat my ass with it if I cut your hair off.
Oh yeah.
But you wouldn't have did that.
I wouldn't have did that.
No.
To be honest, I probably would have grabbed this belt or this laptop charger and got the whippy your ass with that hoe. Everybody says they know what their reaction would be in a certain situation, but like based off of that split second right there, I probably would have just like hit his ass with something.
No, the f you wouldn't, bruh. You wouldn't have did shit like nigga. You probably would have, Greg. You're not gonna be in my vlogs anymore. I know. I'm sorry. What? You need me to pick you up? No, nigga. Look what you did to me. So you a fighter now.
So you underestimating niggas just so you thinking you can cut my hair and get away with it?
No, actually I'm gonna cut a piece off first, and I'm like, ha. You like, bro. What you doing, bro? What you doing? I'm cutting that whole shit off.
No.
This
nigga really got me fucked up. This nigga really thinks I'll beat you with your own extra white ass, never used ass cleats.
Hey, what you say yesterday? You should play as Kappa. Because you're got me great.
Oh God.
I'm fucking dead. That shit was ass, boy. That nigga said you should play as Kappa. Because you're capping right now. What the
first of all, you need to work on your delivery because I definitely said.
Here we go. Here we go. I can't
it wasn't the same. It wasn't the same the way you said it. I said you should play as Kappa with all the Kappa you doing today.
Ass.
It flowed different, bruh. It flowed different, bruh.
I'm finna tell that to Sid.
He probably heard the joke like the first time it happened last night and the 6th time you just brought that shit up. So therefore, the funniness has worn off. Hey man, I know I'm finna reshoot the June playlist, but I think I should go ahead and give y'all a little sneak peek of the July playlist and let y'all know what that how it's gonna look like.
Wait, what? You already got your July playlist?
What? I already got 19 songs on iTunes and I already got like 14 songs on SoundCloud. Bro, I've been coming across a lot of music, you feel me, lately.
Back with imported, I'm chasing my shorty. I just bought a foreign, I'm feeling the court. I profile a house, but I ain't paid the mortgage. I tried to flip shorty, but she wasn't for it.
Hold up. Hey, walk on the stage with my burner. Reach for my chain, you a goner. Broad choppers with the bag in. You want some scratch, you gon' earn it. Who want smoke, let's figure it out. Knock 'em off feet looking for clout. I hope these niggas can't hit us, just part of my youngest are Alice for chop.
Don't give him a lot of it. You should get no more than 2 songs of July. No.
Okay. Yeah, man, that was a July playlist. You feel me? I know I ain't dropped the June one yet first, but I've already been on my shit as far as developing the July playlist. Skincare routine video coming too, because niggas been asking, you feel me? Niggas really want to know, what is it that you do to your skin that makes you glisten the way that you be glistening? You feel me? You know what I mean? I say that in the least cockiest way possible, but you feel me?
Shit.
But I take big pride in my skin. I posted a video on my Snapchat a few days ago of like what my skin looked like 2 years ago when I was getting my neck tattoo, and bro, I've come a long way. So I feel like I've earned the right to brag on my skin.
Say what up to the vlog, man, you know what I'm saying? What's happening, man? Nigga, Cozy said, man, you know what I'm saying? What up, y'all? You know what I'm saying? I ain't seen y'all in a good minute, man. We all have had our fair share of busyness during this summer. What are you doing? What, is that a good picture? Is that a good, is that a picture idea, nigga? Is that not a picture?
No, I was just saying, I don't know, I was just chilling.
You was just chilling.
I was just chilling.
So you weren't thinking about no picture?
No. Come on.
What do you mean? Come on, you going downstairs and you need the iron. You the one going downstairs and you just asked me for the iron board and the iron. But you going downstairs for what? What were you going downstairs for? Ooh, shit!
Oh, you know that's not good for your car. Pro tip: if you have a car, like when you first put on the AC, don't like put that on full blast. You gonna mess up your AC unit like that. Like the motor's not. You gotta get that bitch warm.
Boy, not I.
Jalen waiting on us. I'm sorry, Jalen. You gonna watch this vlog and you gonna be like, why are they having me wait? Like, you understand, bro. You would know. Like, come on, bro. It's hot.
Hold on. After the work.
My nigga got his pump in.
You know what I'm saying? What's up, Big Pat?
Fat Pat, not Big Pat, Fat Pat.
Fat Pat, what's happening?
What's up?
Big nigga activities.
Both titties.
He looking on full.
Both titties on deck.
Oh God, and I want to win the bathroom and enter shit.
Hey, the ass whooping too.
Out of breath.
You say you out of breath?
He low. He low. You gotta get low.
Come on, Pat.
Dang, he calling y'all out in the middle of the PV bowling alley. They scared. Not the B word.
I'm gonna show you what a bitch do.
Not the B word.
No, I'll just be like, what do you want from this?
What do you
And then emphasize on this being me and you. You just want to say I don't give a f.
Yeah, bro, it's it, bro. What the f she doing? What do you mean?
You're getting insight on the guy talk. Yeah, guys have this talk as well. I know girls have this talk, but
She a subscriber?
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck it.
Damn, bro, you can't do that. You can't do that.
All she do is ask about you, like all y'all. I was like,
Bro, and then you gonna put her out like that.
I was like, do you want me to introduce you? Should be okay.
Boy, you tripping.
that shit crazy.
I don't care what he talking about, bro. You need to make sure she understand where you coming from.
I know that shit.
I'm new to the game, man. Like, I'm just now becoming an upper class.
This shit has nothing to.
Diaper, nigga.
But this has nothing to do with being an upperclassman, my nigga.
Well, stop that shit.
First of all, you know damn well I'm not an asshole.
Okay, question.
It's my last time seeing my dude.
For a minute.
You know what I mean? Until
Yeah,
whenever. We all finna bust down. I leave.
You got anything you don't want to hear, though?
You see some shit you like in there or something?
Shit, nothing really gonna get me, but it's cool. I see your work shoes, backpack, you gonna keep that. Champ shoes, you gonna keep that. Nah, I don't want none, you good.
Bounce.
Fat Pat.
IKDG.
All I think.
Ooh, it's hot! It's hotter than the inside of a baked potato in it, bitch.
Really, nigga? You just keep saying ass shit.
About to close my eyes and watch you dance. I know you don't trust these niggas, I'm just trying to be your man. Girl, I come from the street, so that ain't hard to understand. But I want you to be mine, and I mean that I ain't playing.